Hello friends, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So this video I'm going to talk about a potential breakout that you can put it on your watch list. So the stock name is Adani Ports, and as you can see here, the pattern here is a kind of a mix between channel and triangle pattern. So if you look at the top, there has been three resistance and it has broken out, and apart from that, Adani Port has broken three important resistance. One is this one. So after the support which it got here, it broke the resistance of this line, right? And also it broke the resistance of this trend line, and the third important resistance is this. So meaning the bulls are here and it is strong enough, okay? And I think this could be a potential breakout. So as far as stop loss is concerned, uh, what you can do is you can keep your stop loss below this candle, or what you can do is go to 1 hour time frame and you can extend this. You can keep your stop loss below this trend line. So it all depends on your risk appetite. So you do your own analysis as well and see where you could enter. I mean, you can either wait for the kind of a retrace, or you can just enter here. It all depends. So I will not be responsible for both your losses and your profits. This is just an analysis video. Please do not get into it just because I posted it. Some people, what they are doing is they just go huge in futures and make money. It's okay if you're making money, but what if you lose money, right? So what I'm suggesting you is do analysis, follow risk management, and it's not even wrong if you just observe the chart and see how it goes. It could be a good learning for you as well. But as far as this pattern is concerned, this looks solid, and I have not taken any entry. I don't want to update about that, but so far I have not taken any entries. Okay, I could take it, so it depends on how it is opening tomorrow, or yeah, it depends. Okay, so yeah, this is the analysis of Adani Port. Similarly, we also took Adani Enterprise recently. So this is a very good breakout, right? This was also posted in our community, and few made money out of it. So let's hope that Adani okay, so let's hope that similar kind of breakout will happen for Adani Port Special as well. So yeah, I mean, this is the analysis. Yes, even during the breakout the volume seems to be decent, and it has taken a very good support. And even if you look at the weekly time frame, there are huge wicks here, which tells you that there has been a lot of buying pressure in this area. So this will help during the breakout. I hope this turns out well. And yeah, that would be all, guys. And yeah, as I mentioned, please do your own analysis. Don't blindly enter. Follow risk management and position sizing as well. Okay, so please give me 10k likes for this video, and I will come again with similar kind of setups. And please do not forget to subscribe and turn on that bell notification so that you get updated once I upload the video. So thank you so much for watching this video with patience. Thank you.